Are you starting on your credit card journey and don't know where to start? Maybe all the credit card options are a little overwhelming and you don't know what to choose from. Well, we're here to help you with that. Hey everyone, this is Basically Finance, and today we're going to uncover the best beginner credit cards in 2024. Whether you're a young professional just starting or someone looking to build their credit, these cards are designed to help you on your financial journey. Starting things off, for our fifth pick, we have the Capital One Saver One Student Credit Card. I know, definitely a mouthful. This card is a game changer for beginners seeking a rewarding and hassle-free credit experience. With an impressive unlimited 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, alongside 1% on all other purchases, it ensures your spending works for you. The early spend bonus of $50, earned by spending just $100 in the first 3 months, is a fantastic kickstart. What sets this card apart is the 10% cashback on Uber and Uber Eats, complimentary Uber One membership statement credits, and an enticing 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel. Students of any higher education institution can especially benefit from its credit building features. While the Capital One Saver One student credit card boasts an array of impressive features, it's important to note that the card comes with a variable APR ranging from almost 20% to 30%. This variability means that the interest rate can be on the higher side, especially if you find yourself closer to the upper end of that range. For individuals who may occasionally carry a balance, the potential for a higher APR could lead to increased interest charges over time. For those that pay off their Sting and balance in full, as some experts recommend, this APR shouldn't be a problem. With benefits like 8% cashback on entertainment purchases and the potential to earn even more, the Capital One Saver One student credit card is truly a versatile and rewarding companion on your financial journey. For our fourth pick, we have the Citi Double Cash Credit Card, a powerhouse for cashback enthusiasts. With an unbeatable 2% cashback on all purchases, plus an additional 1% when you buy and another percent as you pay, earning rewards has never been more rewarding. What sets this card apart is its simplicity. No categories to track, no caps on cashback, and the flexibility to redeem rewards for a statement credit, direct deposit, or a check. As a sweet bonus, new cardholders can pocket $200 cash back after spending $1,500 in the first 6 months. But that's not all. For a limited time, enjoy a generous 5% total cash back on hotel, car rental, and attractions when booked through Citi Travel Portal until the end of the year. Managing your finances is made even more convenient with a 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers, followed by a variable APR of 19.24% to almost 30%. Plus, with no annual fee, the Citi Double Cash Card is a standout choice for those seeking simplicity, flexibility, and rewarding cashback opportunities. For our third pick, say hello to the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. Your key to rewarding everyday essentials without the hassle of an annual fee. With a tempting welcome offer, earn $200 back as a statement credit after spending $2,000 in the first 6 months of card membership. The perks don't stop there. Enjoy a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for 15 months, followed by a variable APR of between 19.24% to 30%. Now, let's talk cashback. This card shines with a 3% cashback on groceries at U.S. supermarkets, online retail purchases, and gas at U.S. gas stations, each on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1%. Additionally, earn 1% cashback on other eligible purchases. The flexibility continues with the ability to redeem your cashback as a statement credit, without any $25 redemption minimum. If you're looking for a card that rewards your daily spending without the burden of an annual fee, the Blue Cash Everyday Card is a top contender. For our second recommended credit card, we have a tie between the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex. Both credit cards offer similar benefits, have differences that could influence which one you choose. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card presents an enticing limited time offer, featuring a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months. Beyond the initial bonus, cardholders enjoy a generous 5% cash back on gas station and grocery store purchases for up to $12,000 spent in the first year. This card stands out with its flat rate cashback structure, providing unlimited 1.5 cashback on all purchases, with opportunities for high rewards such as 3% on dining and drugstore purchases, and 5% on travel purchased through Chase. Additionally, it offers 0% APR, intro APR, for 15 months on both purchases and balance transfers, making it a versatile choice for those looking to save on interest. On the other side, the Chase Freedom Flex card mirrors the $200 bonus offer after spending $500 in the first 3 months. Similarly, it provides a limited 5% cashback on combined gas station and grocery store purchases for up to $12,000 in the first year. What sets the Freedom Flex apart is its dynamic cashback categories, allowing cardholders to earn 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter when activated. This includes 5% cashback on travel purchased through Chase, 3% on dining, including takeout, drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. Like its counterpart, the Freedom Flex also offers a 0% intro APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. While the Chase Freedom Unlimited and Chase Freedom Flex credit cards offer attractive rewards, they find themselves a little lower on our list due to the recommendation of having a prior credit score before applying. These credit cards are designed to cater to individuals with good to excellent credit histories. And while they bring fantastic cashback opportunities and valuable introductory offers, they may not be the ideal starting point for those establishing credit for the first time. If you're in the early stages of building your credit, we recommend exploring other beginner-friendly options that provide more accessible approval criteria. However, if you have a solid credit foundation, these cards can be a powerful addition to your wallet, unlocking a world of cashback rewards and benefits. For our first pick, we also have a tie between the Discover It secured credit card and the Discover It cashback credit card. The Discover It secured credit card is an excellent option for those looking to establish or rebuild their credit. Notably, this card requires no credit score for application, making it accessible for individuals with limited credit history. With a no annual fee and a refundable security deposit starting at $200, it offers a real credit card experience. Cardholders can earn 2% cashback bonus at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter, along with unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. One standout feature is the unlimited cashback match, where Discover matches all the cashback earned at the end of the first year with no limit. Additionally, users have the advantage of monitoring their FICO credit score for free without impacting their score. This card is also a secured credit card, which is designed for individuals with limited or poor credit history. In the case of the Discover It secured credit card, it requires a refundable security deposit, which becomes the cardholder's credit line. This deposit acts as a collateral and provides a layer of security for the card issuer in case the cardholder defaults on payments. The primary purpose of a secured credit card is to help individuals build or rebuild their credit. By using the card responsibly and making timely payments, cardholders can demonstrate their creditworthiness over time. On the other hand, the Discover It cashback credit card is designed for those seeking robust cashback rewards. This card earns 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, up to the quarterly maximum when activated. Additionally, cardholders earn 1% cashback on all other purchases. The card comes with no annual fee and features the unlimited cashback match, doubling all the cash back earned at the end of the first year with no limit. For added value, it offers a 0% intro APR for the first 15 months on purchases. After the introductory period, The standard variable purchase APR is 17.24% to 28.24%, with up to a 5% fee for future balance transfers. Now, what are the similarities between both cards? Both cards offer the unique feature of unlimited cashback match, doubling all the cashback earned at the end of the first year with no limit. Both cards also come with the benefit of no annual fees. Now, what are the differences? The most significant difference is that a secured credit card, like the Discover It secured credit card, requires a security deposit, while an unsecured credit card, like the Cashback credit card, does not. The Discover It secured credit card focuses on 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants, while the Discover It Cashback credit card offers a 5% cashback on rotating categories each quarter. The Discover It Cashback credit card provides a 0% intro APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, which is not present in the Discover It secured credit card. All in all, both of these two cards are great for beginners looking to embark on their credit journey. Whether you're building or rebuilding your credit card, both of these cards offer valuable features and the unlimited cashback match, making them suitable and rewarding for individuals starting their credit endeavors. And there you have it, our top picks for the best beginner credit cards in 2024. Remember, choosing the right card depends on your individual needs and financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope you return for more of Basically Finance.